Hello, my friend, you just put a little bit pressure with this, and you can take out even cruise ship on boats. On this awesome car. So okay, I want to show something. This car is so awesome. Look, they have this little clip right here. I saw another video on YouTube. Some guy they will say it was really hard to change those cars way back, and I don't know why he was saying that. But look, it's so nice and easily that you just this little thing you just suck at it right there in this little corner. How I'm gonna do it right now. So I think it's pretty dope and pretty awesome. Okay, I was just making sure that I was doing everything right. But yeah, people, I was doing it right. It just I was thinking it was down the right place, but yes. I feel so close to you right now. For fleet. So this is gonna be the see, this is the heart, the kidney. This is gonna be like the belly. Heart, kidney, or the face. Anyway, I'm gonna pick up the I think it is 13. 13 I think it's 10. Number 10. Number 10. Oh, the one there to hold this. Okay. That's it. Very cool. Okay, we're gonna change this. Change this one right here. This is start. Hit 30. Number 30. Number 30 start. You see, like I said, it just, you don't have to tie this. When you put it that, just a little bit. You don't have to tie it not like when you put okay, now you will think it's stuck. I don't want it to go. Yo, what I do? You see people, I'm doing this in the dirt. There's no skills. No skills to make your dreams come true. No skills. Okay, what is it? What is it? It's not this one. What is it? Oh, no. Okay, my people. We're just gonna hit it a little bit from the back so I get unstuck because this stuck. Is there a little bit? Hey, come on. Look how it was. To myself, of course. I'm not talking to nobody. I mean, I'm saying this to myself, not to everybody. So you look what is the little hole. You know, you guys know about where to put your thing in the hole. Always be careful where you put it because you can have some bad moments. Just be patient, wait for your right moment in life, and everything will come up good. That's it, just a little bit. We don't have to. Okay, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're good. That's it, my people. This is quick. I told you it was quick. Okay, now it's gonna be this part. That everybody, if you see video, you have to buy the cylinder, compress, whatever. You can do it with anything. I'm using this, but you can use anything. This is not a proper tool, but you're gonna know exactly what it is because we have to push this all the way to the back. And how this works is you just have to put a little bit of pressure. Use my feet. Okay. And my hands. Okay. Look how it's going. Y'all probably not gonna see it perfect, but it's going little by little. Okay, after it go a little bit, you let it go. You tie a little bit more, and we're gonna keep doing this until I get all the way to where we want it. That's how it's going. Little, little by little. It's like when you're gonna go to the back door, you go little by little, you don't go like slow. Right. I think we 2 more times is the big road. Over here it's almost like 5:30 and it's already nighttime today, so yep. You see. A little bit more people, we good to go. So how much was this? Less than an hour? And you can save $1,000? No. And I'm saying this because I already saw the other video and then people was commenting in the video, he was like, oh, thank you. You saved me. Okay. That's it, people. It's all the way. You cannot see nothing. Now we're going to the next step. We're gonna bring our baby over here. You're gonna grab the rear arm carefully and you're gonna put exactly how it was before. And yeah, that's what it is. So, okay. I feel like this is not the right way you want to go. Yeah, yeah, it is. It is, it is. It is. So, now that we have our little fat baby right there, now that we got a little fat baby, I say fat because he's heavy. Well, you can be fat. Fat is good. Some people just like fat. Nothing wrong with that. Some people like me. Some people like bones. Some people like bones and meat. All together in one person. You wanna that's the best one. Bones and meat. And it doesn't matter if you have to go to the shop and pull your meat because you don't have no meat. You can go to the shop and throw some meat in it. That's it. But if you're gonna throw, you're gonna put meat on your person. Make sure that it's your person because you don't want to put meat in somebody else's person. So that's it. Let me put it just to the tire. So you guys are done. That's how it is. Easy. So let me say something before I go. Um, just make sure every time that you go to sleep, before you go to sleep, you pray. Make sure that every time that you wake up, you pray because you are alive. Because that's exactly how God wanted, and always do the right thing. And that's it. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm doing the brake and the rotor